Most people get this wrong. They think finance apps are only for budgeting. BrightPath Finance in 2026 proves it's much more complete platform to save, track, and optimize your money with ease. BrightPath uses intelligent automation to suggest realistic saving targets. It analyzes spending patterns and recurring expenses, helping you identify areas to cut back and redirect toward goals. Small adjustments, applied consistently, can save hundreds of dollars annually without feeling restrictive. The app also supports multiple goal types, from emergency funds to vacations or debt repayment. Funds are automatically allocated based on priority, and visual trackers provide a clear picture of progress. Seeing tangible results keeps motivation high, something most people underestimate when managing money manually. Another key feature is predictive cash flow. BrightPath forecasts upcoming bills and suggests how much to reserve each week, reducing the risk of overdrafts or missed payments. It even highlights spending trends so you can make smarter financial decisions proactively. Security is strong with bank-level encryption and multi-factor authentication. Support is available in-app and via phone, so help is always just a tap away. Limitations: BrightPath does not provide full banking or investment services. You'll need separate accounts for holding or investing funds. But for anyone focused on smarter saving, budgeting, and financial planning, BrightPath is an excellent tool. So, is BrightPath Finance worth it in 2026? Definitely, if you want a simple, automated way to make your money work harder. Subscribe for more reviews that help you stay ahead of your finances.